So on the Juki G220, it has got the alphabet feature. One question we do get asked is how to program it and set it. So this video is all about that. We obviously have to select the folder we want it to. So we need to make sure we're on the ABC folder. And to do that, we're going to go and press the folders here till we see the ABC. And then as you can see across all of them, you've then got your numbers. So number A is 00, B is 01. So for this demonstration, we're going to spell out Juki. So we will need to rotate the numbers around until we get the into J, which is number 9. So we're going to go up to here, number 9. Simply, when we get to the number we want, what we need to do is press the memory button. That's going to then save it on there. We're then going to go to U, which is the 20. Press it again. Then we're going to go K, 10. And then I, 8. Now, that should then, in theory, now when we press the go, it should spell the Juki. And as you can see, when it gets to the end of the stitch plate, the stitching, it stops. So press cut. There you go. Nice big lettering, 7mm. Hello Juki. And what's even better is, as we know, we can put a heart at the end of it. So we'll go back, oops, sorry, to clear as well. Press and hold that, press on the clear button, and it will reset you back to folder 1 with number 00 stitch. So yeah, there we go. Leave me to find my heart.